Hi, today we'll be making stir fry with chicken and lo mein noodles. So to begin, you want to grab a large pot and bring your water to a boil, and of course you want to salt your water. That way you add some flavor to your noodles. And just enough salt that way you can taste it, but not like salty like the sea. Now, since our water has come to a boil, we're going to put our noodles in, and we're going to boil that for about 4 minutes. Then you want to give them an occasional stir, that way they don't stick together. So it's been about 4 minutes, so we've cooked our pasta and drained it. Now what we're going to do is add some olive oil. That way the noodles do not stick together. Give that a mix together with your tongs. And put that to the side. Now what we're going to do is make our peanut sauce for our dish. So first we're going to take a small saucepan, and you can put it on a medium-low heat. And we're going to add our peanut butter, our soy sauce, and some water. And we're just going to stir this until it forms into a smooth paste. So it'll take a few minutes. So we've been cooking our peanut sauce for about 3 minutes, and as you can see, it's now formed into a nice smooth consistency. So what we'll do now is take this off the burner and put it to the side. And we're now going to cook our chicken and other condiments that go with our dish. So you can turn your burner back on and put that on a medium heat. I'm just going to let that heat up. We'll pour some olive oil in there. So we've added our olive oil, and in about 10 seconds or so, we'll go ahead and cook our chicken. As you can see, it's definitely hot enough because we can hear that sizzle. So now we'll go ahead and cook our chicken. Add some salt to that. And not too much, since in our peanut sauce we have soy sauce in that, and that's naturally already salty. So we'll just cook this for a few minutes until our chicken is no longer pink. And after about a minute or two, you can go ahead and flip it over. Now that our chicken is almost done, we're going to take our sliced carrots and pour that in. Our ginger, our sliced bell peppers, and we'll cook that for about 2 to 3 minutes. We can go ahead and add some more salt. Just a pinch. So now after a few minutes, we'll take our cabbage and pour that in. And you just want to cook the cabbage until they start to wilt and they become soft. Now you definitely want to stir this frequently so that way everything cooks evenly. Now at this point you want to turn your heat down and grab your peanut sauce from earlier. And we're just going to pour the peanut sauce over the chicken and veggies. And then stir everything all together. And you'll let that sit all together for about a minute or two. And since our dish is almost ready, we'll grab our plate. Grab a fork so we can taste our food and see if it needs any salt or anything else we need to add. So our chicken tastes quite well. It doesn't need any more salt. So what we'll go ahead and do now is take our lo mein from earlier. Just a decent amount. Put that in our bowl. Then we'll take our chicken stir-fry mixture and just place some right on top of our lo mein noodles. And we'll go ahead and garnish with some green onions. And red pepper flakes. And there we have it. Stir fry with chicken and lo mein noodles.